This is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I am off on another rescue today. I have purchased a hay baler. This is an International number 47, and I haven't seen it yet, but according to what the pictures look like, it looks like it's in excellent condition. I've already got this other 47 International baler at the house that's in pretty rough shape, and I was looking for another one so that I could use it as a donor, but this new one that I found seems to be in a lot better shape than the one that I've got at the house. So my hopes are to get this one home, look it over real good, and I'll likely use the other one that I have as the donor instead of this one, and then I'll have all of the parts for a complete baler. Anyway, kind of excited about this trip. I usually find most of my equipment that I buy out in Idaho, west of where I live, but this trip I am going east, out into Wyoming. More specifically, Rock Springs is where I found this one. So I just thought I'd bring you along for the ride and show you what was going on. Okay, I made it home with this old baler. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. I didn't take any footage of when I was there picking it up. The guy I was buying it from, he was selling it for someone else, and he needed to get back to work, and so I didn't want to take time out to do any filming. But anyway, I put that slow moving sign on the back there because I just had no way to get it home but to tow it. It's a wire feed baler. Looking things over, I think it's in really good shape. It looks like somebody just quit using it and parked it, so it's been sitting, I'm sure, for a lot of years. The guy I bought it from didn't really know very much about its history or anything. So I'm sure getting it lubed up and freed up is pretty much all I'm going to have to do to it, except for I had to slide things over on that tongue and hold them with the chain. Someone along the way hooked all of that stuff down there and bent it where that tongue slides back and forth and locks into place. And so that's going to have to be addressed. I think I could pull all that off and just heat it up in the forge and straighten it. But I've got this other old baler that has the exact parts on it that I'll be using for a donor hay baler. So I had that, and then I couldn't find a tire skinny enough to go on here. I had to just hook some straps onto the pickup there in order to hold it up, and I had to pull that off out of the way because it was rubbing on that skinny tire. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do there. Might have to order a tire. The guy in the tire shop threw this used tire on for me, and he said that you can order those skinny tires, but they're not very many people keep them in stock. This belt that runs the auger over here will have to be replaced. Looks like it's seen a lot of days. out in the sunshine. Anyway, I'm tickled about this baler, especially since I've got a parts baler for it. It ought to last for years and years, I'm hoping. I just pulled that drive line off to get it out of the way while I was tolling it. It's here in the back of the truck. And also, I grabbed this from him. He just threw this piece in. This is part of an old sickle mower. I wish I had all of the parts to it. Massey Ferguson sickle mower. Anyway, there's a few parts on there that I'm going to pull off and use on other applications. I'm going to put together a 3-point hitch for my John Deere 60, and I can use these parts right there off of it, and then this top piece I can cannibalize it and use it as well on that project, on that 3-point hitch for the John Deere. So that was a nice find. Probably other things that I can use off of that. I might be able to use that piece for a lift arm on it, and there's another one down there for lift arms on that 3-point hitch. So anyway, successful trip. Now I got to go to work and get everything working, and getting closer and closer to haying season. Thanks for watching.